Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the split screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first, open an application, for example let it be Instagram. Now, show all apps, and now what you're gonna do is to find the next application preview and drop it here. Here now we can select Instagram, and that is how to use this split screen. Now we can exit both these views by this X button, and apart from that we can use the split screen using this edge panel, if it's enabled for you of course. To do so, you have to open this panel like that, and here now we have to find the application you want to open. For example, let it be gallery, and now we have to drag it here, and here as you can see we can select the application we want to open. Let it be LinkedIn, and here as you can see we have two ways, and using this we can, as you can see, resize our applications. And that's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.